In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background noise in Shotcut. If your footage has a low hum, hiss, or room buzz, Shotcut has a reliable way to clean it up without extra plugins. I already have a clip on the timeline and will work directly on that. First, right-click the clip and choose Detach Audio. This splits the sound onto its own track so you can treat it independently. Your video and audio stay aligned as long as you don't move them out of sync, but having the audio separated gives you precise control. Next, click the audio clip to make sure it's selected. Open the Filters panel. If you don't see it docked, go to the top menu, choose Filters, then press the plus icon to add a new filter. In the search box, type Noise and pick Reduce Noise, Wavelet. Shotcut immediately applies it to the selected audio clip so you can start refining. Now let's dial in the settings. Increase decompose to strengthen the reduction. Think of it as how deeply the filter analyzes and separates noisy frequencies. Higher values remove more noise, but too high can make voices sound dull or watery. Then raise threshold to tell Shotcut which quiet details are likely noise. If threshold is set too low, noise slips through. Too high, and parts of the voice may be affected. Finally, adjust percent, which controls how much reduction is actually applied. This is the overall intensity. Use enough to tame the background without flattening the character of the voice. As you tweak, play the audio continuously and listen in headphones if possible. Focus on the silent or quiet sections because that's where noise is easiest to judge. Make small adjustments, then toggle the filter's Enable checkbox to compare before and after. If you hear swishy or underwater artifacts, ease back decompose first, then nudge threshold down, and keep percent moderate. Aim for a natural tone with the noise pushed behind the voice, not completely erased. Short preview loops help you evaluate changes quickly without losing your place. When you're happy with the result, that's it. The background distractions are cleaned up, and your clip is ready to edit or export. You can always reopen the filter later to fine-tune if your mix changes. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more clear, practical Shotcut tips. I'll see you in the next tutorial.